Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am planning for November the 9th, which is Wednesday. Good morning to everybody. Hope you're doing really well. I'm a little late getting started this morning, but better late than never, right? It is currently Wednesday morning, about 6:15, and my goal is to get this filmed, edited, and uploaded this morning so that you guys can see what I've got going on today. I am using a sticker kit by SimplySmithStickers, and this is a really cute plaid and leopard print, and then there's some neutral little, I don't know what you would call it, like polka dots. So this is what I'm working with today. Let me go ahead and grab my headers. I did not accomplish much of anything on my to-do list yesterday, which kind of stinks. I just lost time, and by the time I realized that I hadn't gotten anything done, it was already the end of the day and I was tired. So maybe today will be better. So I got up this morning, I don't know, about maybe 5 o'clock, 4:35, a little bit later than I normally do. And so definitely getting a late start this morning. But I've been trying to do a little bit better on uploads and making sure that I have videos for you guys every day. I did my budgeting video yesterday because I get paid on Friday. And I won't have another budgeting video before Friday for you, but I will try to have a planning video every day just so you guys can get an idea of what all is on my plate. I'm trying to do better with my time and making sure that I give myself enough time to accomplish the things I really want to accomplish during the day. But some days are better than others. Some days I get a lot done and other days not so much. So let's grab this. I need my little check boxes for the side. Excuse me. I've got my coffee over here. I'm still on my first cup. But I got a bunch of vaccines on Sunday, and I've just kind of been feeling kind of crummy ever since. So I had gone to Walmart to get a flu vaccine, and I hadn't had a flu vaccine since I was 19 years old, and so I wanted to get it done just with all the crud that's going on and, you know, virus-wise. I just want to make sure that if I did get the flu this year, it wouldn't be as bad. And while I was there, the pharmacist said that I was due for, what was it, I qualified for the pneumonia vaccine because I have asthma. So I got that. And then I got a tetanus shot, which they said is good for 10 years. And then, what else did I get? Tetanus. Oh, Hep B was the other vaccine that I got. So I'm totally up to date on vaccines. And hopefully won't need to have any again for quite some time. I know some people don't agree with taking vaccines, and if that's you, totally respect your decision and your opinion on the matter. But for me, you know, it's something that I felt I needed to do, and that's what I did for myself. All right, so I have my everyday meeting from 7:30 to 9. It's actually 3 different meetings, but they're just back to back every morning, and so it's just easier to use a single sticker instead of using several. So I have that, and then I have my meeting from 3 to 5, which I don't know if I'm gonna go to that one today, but I'm gonna put it down on my calendar just as a reminder. And I'm using script stickers that I had made, and these were made by Romo Plans. She's on Etsy, as is SimplySmithStickers, which is where I got the sticker kit from. Okay, so that, I believe, oh, I do have a team meeting. I don't remember what time it is, though. I want to say it's around 10 or 11. And it usually only lasts about a half an hour. So let me put this here. I think it's at 10. I don't know why I could never remember that, because it is every single week. So we'll do that and grab a little meeting sticker and throw that on here. And then I think that's it for meetings. Now let's look at my to-do list. I meant to do the dishes yesterday. I didn't. I meant to start laundry. Didn't do it. I have like 4 boxes of just junk that needs to be gone through. I have a cat house that needed to be put together. I attempted it, but the parts were faulty, and I couldn't do that. I have something to return to Walmart, and then I wanted to drop off a Goodwill donation, and I didn't do any of those things. So, like I said, I didn't accomplish much yesterday, but a lot of it was just because I didn't feel my best. So, I definitely want to put my 3 tasks for today at work. I have some documents to process, and I have tickets I always have to do. And then I do want to get some more filming done, because I have some review videos that need to be done. I have a planner that was sent to me that I need to review, and a few other things as well. So filming is at the top of the list. And then I need to get my dishes done. The dishes in the dishwasher are dirty. The dishes in the sink are dirty. I literally just need to take them from the sink, put them in the dishwasher, and run the dishwasher. I don't know why that is so difficult for me. My laundry basket, I can't close it anymore. So I think I definitely need to get my laundry done. And maybe after I get done getting this uploaded, I will go ahead and throw a load of laundry in. And I definitely need to go to Goodwill, because I have a box of stuff in my car that needs to be taken. The cat house, it's for feral cats. Oops. Let me move my camera over a little bit. Yeah, the cat house I have is for feral cats, and the screws that you use to put it together, they're plastic and they're junk. So I was thinking I could run by Lowe's and grab some real screws and like the nuts that would tighten it up, so that I can get that put together, because it's going to start getting cold here, and I want any outside kitties to have somewhere warm to sleep. And then What else did I have on my list? And then just organize. And I don't know that I would get all of this done, but I put it on my list every day because whatever I don't get done, I will move to the next day until it gets completed. I don't know how you guys do your to-do list, but that seems to work pretty well for me because I do as much as I can, and then everything else just gets shifted to the next day, and then eventually it all gets done. Maybe not in the time that I wanted to get done, but definitely can accomplish everything. This is not what is it? An unreasonable list. So anyway, I hope you guys are doing really well, and Thanksgiving is coming up. My mom's birthday is this Friday, the 11th. We're going to see Zach Williams in concert, which is going to be a lot of fun. Maybe we'll go out to dinner as well, but I took off work and we're gonna spend the day just hanging out with my mom. And then the week of Thanksgiving, I'm off work, which will be really nice. I don't have anything planned except for Thanksgiving Day to spend with family, and then Black Friday shopping. So let me know down in the comments what plans you have for Thanksgiving, and oh my gosh, let me know your favorite Thanksgiving dish to bring, because I really would like to get some ideas of things to bring to Thanksgiving. Tend to always bring the same things, and some inspiration would be great. And let me know down below if you guys are going to go Black Friday shopping, what stores are you going to hit? All right, that's it from me, guys. Again, this is my plan with me for today, which is Wednesday, November the 9th. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.